Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tshidi, Radebe, back on the screens once again, and I just would like to ask you at this point to please take your volume up a bit because my voice is a bit down because I'm sick and my noise is blocked, so that's that. And if I'm coming across very calm and not the same very like energetic Tshidi, just know it's because I'm sick, okay? That's all. And then I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I moisturize my hair in today's video. So without any further ado, let us get right into today's video. Before we start, I would like to make a few announcements, and the first one is that I'm hosting my first Instagram live tomorrow at 7 o'clock on Instagram, okay? So I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could go follow me there and also join the live and ask lots of questions. The reason why I picked to host it on Instagram is because not everybody, the guests that I'm going to be having a chat with, have YouTube channels, so it's just easier there to collaborate with people. Honestly, that's the only reason why I host them on there. On YouTube it's a bit difficult, but yeah, that's that. So that's the reason why I do it there. Then the second announcement is actually not even an announcement, it's just for me to say thank you guys to my new subscribers. I have a goal which is to reach 10,000 subscribers before the year ends. I'm really steady about it, not trying to do too much, put too much pressure on anyone, including myself. So to my new subscribers, I would like to say welcome and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I hope that I will continue to contribute to the natural hair community and provide you with valuable information. And I'm going to be doing a few experiments this winter because it's winter time and why not? My job is to experiment so that you don't have to. And if you haven't at this point of the video liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It actually tells the devil, which is the algorithm, that people like this video, and then it's more prone to suggest it and recommend it to other people. Therefore, then that person who might see my video might actually subscribe and like my channel and content, etc. So that's basically how we grow the channel. I depend on you guys basically for my channel to grow, kind of vibes. And also my oldies, thank you guys so much for always riding with me, especially my notification gang. I've been having struggles as of late because like sometimes when I post it's like load shedding and I can't like reply back to you guys's comments because I basically just schedule the video to go out at 7:30 regardless, but then I can't really go on there to chat with you guys right away. So that's that. Then the third thing is that I think you guys might actually know this, which is that I am gonna be starting my own business soon. I'm gonna be launching soon. It's going to be everything natural hair, honestly speaking, and I have been a little bit scared to come in front of the camera to say it out loud, because when you say it out loud it becomes real, and it's gonna have everything you guys always ask me, like what I use on my hair and all the kind of stuff, and things like shea butter, raw shea butter. Oh, you guys always ask me like, where do I get my shea butter? So you guys gonna be buying it from me. So, and it's like the real deal, so I'm really excited for that. And some organic oils, and that's the other thing. I feel like we struggle a lot to find organic oils, especially ones that are specifically designed for 4C low porosity hair. Let's say for example you go to the store and you see like on Jackie's, it will have like jojoba oil and maybe I don't even know, sunflower oil or something, but those two combinations don't work out for your hair. You get what I mean? So I want to sell you guys individual oils so that you will be able to design your own little oil concoction that actually works for your hair. They will be certified like 100% organic, and yeah, so I'm really excited for that. So if you do not know this yet, please go on my page. It's called African with the K Curiosity. So it's African Curiosity on Instagram, and just like the page. Right now I'm still in the beginning growing it on social media and stuff like that. I'm still gonna get the website ready, just waiting for a few things like my designs to get approved and certain artwork and all that kind of stuff. If you have started a business, let me know in the comment section, because it is not easy, especially trying to find good reliable suppliers in South Africa. Not just finding them, but like just finding their contact information is so difficult, so draining, not gonna lie. It took me almost a full year to find a good reliable supplier for certain things, and it's like different suppliers I have to work with because certain things I don't like from them and all that kind of stuff, because I'm a perfectionist kind of vibes and I want to give you guys the best. If I'm going to say, hey, this is my brand, because it's a brand, you know, that speaks volume. I want to make sure that I am giving you guys the best of everything. So I think we can start moisturizing my hair. Thank you so much for watching till this far, because I was just chit-chatting. So firstly, I blew dry my hair about 9 days ago, and I used the Afro True Heat Protected Serum. I bought it when I got the shampoo and the conditioner, and then I'm going to be using the sequel as my leave-in. We're not going to use any water. This does have like some oils and stuff, and then I'm going to use my secret moisturizer. I can't show you the moisturizer unfortunately, but I'm going to be using my secret moisturizer and applying that. But just know that it's just it's some good stuff that I've been using with my hair basically. So let's switch to voiceover. Let me show you guys how my hair is looking, and yeah. Alrighty, so I'm going to be showing you guys the state in which my hair is in. You can tell that it has that natural shine on it, but it's dry. So we are going to be solving that problem. What I also noticed is that my scalp was a bit dry, so I think in the next few days I'm going to start focusing on massaging and moisturizing my scalp, but I'll share that with you guys in another video. In this video we're just going to be moisturizing, and not gonna lie, I'm starting to feel really cute. Okay, I like it when my hair's out and about. And then I'm just going to start by applying the leave-in conditioner. This is the sequel from Ode to the Motherland. If you do not know who Ode to the Motherland is at this point in time, I don't know if you've been living on a rock, but go check her products out. They're all natural and organic, and they're certified. If you are someone who likes to incorporate natural ingredients but do not have the time to create them in your kitchen, or you're not sure about the ratios or the pH or the ingredients you should be using, I would suggest that you use Ode to the Motherland products. Everything is in there, like beetroots, oats, mangoes, plantains, anything, any vegetable you can think of, she has them in one of her products. Okay, so once that's done, once I've massaged the leave-in conditioner, and you guys can see that I am going in between my hair and not just applying on top. Okay, so make sure you're getting in between your hair, and that is also moisturized. And then I'm gonna go in with my secret moisturizer. This moisturizer is so hydrating, like I'm not even lying, you guys. Like my hair feels quenched after this. My hair doesn't feel thirsty at all. And then I'm going to put my hair in a 3-strand braid because it gives me more stretch than a twist would. I will probably leave my hair stretched because honestly speaking, it's easier to work with stretched hair. So far, I'm finding it easy to work with stretched hair. And then once I get to the end, I'm going to twist my ends, because taking down a 3-strand braid is a nightmare, okay, especially at the end. So I just twist because it's really, really simple to do that. And I also use a bit of the product again just to seal the deal, baby. And once that's done, this is how my hair is gonna look like. This is just a rough way how I moisturize my hair, and I'm gonna be taking this style down the following day. So this is what I would also do at night, but I wanted to record it during the daytime because I like the lighting and all that kind of stuff. So this is how I basically maintain and moisturize my stretched hair. For those people who've been trying to figure out how to moisturize, I have been experimenting, trying to figure out how to treat and moisturize my hair when it's stretched without water. And so far I'm still experimenting, but this is the best way for me, right? I still get my stretch, my hair is still good and hydrated and moisturized and all the kind of good stuff. So you guys must let me know if this method might work for you. And then what I also do is, because we're looking a little bit crazy, I would kind of wrap or twist those 3 braids on each side around each other, and then just put on a hairband, hair ribbon, whatever you call it, a scrunchie, whatever, and just tuck that. And then if you want, you can just wear your satin bonnet or duke, whatever you call it, and call it a day. Or you can wear this hairstyle out. I'll probably just do that because I have to go to the gym. So that's that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow on my live, okay?